Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you're having a good weekend. The markets are about to open, at least the futures are, in a few hours from now. I'm really hoping to see a gap up, but we'll see. We'll see what the market decides to give us. So, I wanted to do another video. I know I've been doing a lot about this, and I've been talking about this Algo Pro for quite a while now, but there's a reason for that, and it's really good. So, if you want to check it out, there'll be a link in the description below to take you to my full review, and this is it right here. Worth reading the review, worth watching all the videos in the review. This one should be embedded in there eventually as well. It's worth checking it all out, and also if you want to purchase it, you can get the best possible price at the referral links inside this article right here. I think the price has gone up to $179 recently. Started off it was only $150, which was an absolute bargain. And it's gone up very slowly, so hopefully these guys don't just raise the prices to the $1,200 that it was a few months ago. So let's just hope that they keep it at this low level so you guys can continue to benefit from Algo Pro. Anyway, the point of today's video was a couple of things. First of all, I've been diving into their Discord a little bit more. So looking at the live trade alerts, which I actually had kind of discarded because I like to just look through the charts myself, until I found how good these live trade alerts actually are. So let me show you what I mean. First of all, this is the VIP hub inside the Algo Pro VIP section. So once you buy, you get access to this stuff right here. And you can see that these different channels, trend swing alerts, reversal day alerts, reversal swing trades. And you can see the different symbols that are coming up here. So you got Ethereum here, all these different things, BABA, reversal day trades. We have the Qs, trend swing trades. This was the last swing trade. So a lot of people want to swing trade with this. So one thing that I thought I'd do here is just check out, did this alert work? So if you're a Discord user, you can just set to get notifications for these channels. So technically you could just have these notify you and just use the Discord alerts. And then verify on your chart or whatnot, or manage it by looking at your chart. This one was the most recent one. It was on the 19th, which was 3 days ago, Thursday. It was a swing trade on Ethereum, and it was a buy signal on the 60-minute time frame at this price, the exchange, and then also which Algo Pro version was being used. So it's Algo Pro version 1.2. So I thought what I'd do is just pull up that chart, have a look, and see if it works. So if we do that right here, this is Ethereum on the 1 hour chart. The alert that came out was actually this one on the right here. So you can see as I zoom in to this right here, you can see the buy signal that was alerted in the Discord on Thursday the 19th. And since then, all we've seen is this really nice bullish price action all the way up here with our entry and then our take profits and our stop loss right there, which is cool. The good thing about this is really gone against the market trend. The market's really pulled back. Ethereum's really rallied. But most importantly, it's a really cool way to get crypto involved with your trading, right? If you don't really have a way to trade crypto. The cool thing about Algo Pro though is not just these alerts and then also these buy sell signals, is the fact that you can automate this. And this is something I still haven't delved into yet, but there's a whole section in the manual and the guide about how to do these scalper bots, and these all work really well on the crypto part of Algo Pro. So it's important, I think, for us to look at the signals at least and say, hey, are the signals valid? Do they work? And a quick glance on Ethereum, they really do. On at least the 1 hour chart, you can see the sell signal here worked all the way down here. Obviously the buy signal I've been talking about has worked amazingly well. The last buy signal worked really well as well. This is really the best you can do, is kind of look through it. Look at this sell signal right here, this huge sell signal. If you'd automated this, you'd be raking in the profits on Ethereum on this as a crypto bot. This one, not so much. You'd have got a few hours up, and then that would have been it. This one here, really nice sell signal all the way down. So you imagine running a crypto bot on this? I mean, look at this, another huge buy. So somebody mentioned, there's a couple things I want to address. Somebody mentioned that I make it look too easy, that it can't be this easy, that this is something that is obviously like, a scam or something. Oh, look, there are failed signals. Look, this is a failed signal. It says sell right here, and then it went flat and then up, so you'd have lost a little bit of money on that. But when you compare the good signals to the bad, it's clear this is a good piece of kit. So you've really got to see, like, sell right here. It doesn't work every single time, but it's a very high probability trading system. It's very easy, very reliable. It works on Forex, it works on equities, it works on indices, it works on crypto, and some of these are possible to be optimized, like being into bots, which is really cool. Not sure if I'm going to get into that. I'll need to think about what my plans are for the coming month, because that's a bit of a job in itself, right? You got to get a third-party software, something like 3 commas. You got to get that involved and go from there. But it's something that could be a lot of fun. But my initial look at the live trade alerts is they're actually by themselves really good. We can have a look at another one. We could do Forex. I've not really looked at any Forex. I'm not a Forex trader. Let's just look at the last Forex trade alert and see what it was. So I'm not sure if these are swing trades or whatnot. It doesn't really say. Well, let's just look at this Forex trade, because Forex is another one that you can automate really easily compared to stocks and options. So let's look at GBP, Great British Pound, and the Japanese currency. Let's go to there. So let's go to right here and go to Forex. Great British Pound. So the Japanese yen. So I'm guessing it's this one. There's different exchanges. I'm not sure it matters too much. Like I said, I don't trade Forex at all, so I have no idea. So let's see what time frame that alert was set on. So it was on the early time frame. It was a buy signal, and it was on the 20th, which was 2 days ago, and it was 1.2 default settings. So let's go and see if that worked or not. And I don't check these out beforehand, so you can see already just looking at this signal works really well on Forex. I think it's important that I do these videos where I just randomly pick things and show you. Otherwise, I always get accused of cherry picking data to show only the winners or whatever. But you can see that there's, plenty winners and losers here. All right, the 20th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, right here. For some reason, it's not showing up October 20th. So not sure why it's not showing up here when it was in the Discord. Let's see. Buy signal and Forex. Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe it didn't. Oh, you know what might happen? Maybe they don't wait until it closes. That could be something that happens. So with a lot of these things, you have to wait until the candle closes before it prints as a signal. So I think I see what probably happened here. Yeah, so what probably happened was, I'll zoom in. I don't know for sure. But when it hits the stop loss, it'll often turn to a buy signal, and it hit the stop loss. So there's a good chance that this signal really didn't work. There's a good chance that that's what happened here. So that particular alert was bum, as you can imagine. But you can see plenty of other ones that were really good. Hopefully they were also alerted in the Discord. Now I'm curious. Let's see. I wonder if it's exchange related. Exchange. Oh, I see. So let's check ANDA, just in case there is a difference. I'm just curious now. Hopefully I'm not going to bore you guys with this video. I'll try my best to see if I can find the right exchange. So ANDA is this one. Let's see if it's different, because that could be interesting. It was different. So there's the problem. So the exchanges do matter. So look at that, learned something in the video already. So there wasn't a buy signal coming in just at the stop out sign on the other exchange. That's really interesting. And you can see we now have a buy signal to go that started on Friday, October 20th. So yeah, interesting. So the Discord alerts, you've got to look at the exchange, at least for the Forex stuff as well. So interesting. Anyway, that signal just started, so it's not like we're off to the races with that and can show whether that worked or not. But I think it's pretty clear, like, that you can do this with Forex and you can do it with crypto as well. So it'd be pretty interesting. Hopefully that's helpful. I think going forward, I'm going to stick with this with stocks, but I am interested in maybe doing some sort of robotic trading to try and capture these moves and not have to bother being there. Because the more robotic you can be, the better, right? So it's not too expensive or too time consuming to do that. So probably try and set that up at some point. Apart from that, I'd definitely check out the full review. Go through the different links here. like I said, you can buy the system here if you click through the AlgoPro indicator. They do keep increasing the price though, so if you click join here, you'll get the current price, which is, for a lifetime one-time fee, $179.99. And you get all these different versions, and the cool thing is, I only use and talk about one of these versions mainly. I have videos on other ones, but there's all these different other strategies and things you can do to come up with things. And people keep asking me to test other strategies, and I will get to them, and I do want to try stuff, but there's just so much to do on this. It's crazy. So definitely check it out. Other couple of things is, if you're new to the channel, maybe check out my Facebook group. That's also useful. And also my top 5 trade alert services. There's some good ones in there that you might find useful to join and try out as well. Anyway, hopefully this video has been helpful, and let me know in the comments if you want me to test out any other particular aspects of AlgoPro, or if you need any more information. Alright, have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.